Hi, Sophia. This is Brittany with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I wanted to say thank you for reaching out to my post on Facebook the other day. There's just a few things I want to go over with you today. I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I wanted to just make this quick educational video to be able to help you boost your online presence and then boost your business overall. And at the end of this video, if you could give me some feedback, that would be greatly appreciated. So the things I want to go over today with you are content, backlinks, and citations. So right now I see your website is down, and then I also found that you have your little Facebook page here as well. So I would definitely implement things that you have here into a website. Now with content, that's going to make up any wording that you use, any of the photos that you use, how your photos are saved, and what's behind your photos. That's all going to make up your content. Now, on your website, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. Within that content, you're going to want to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Now, in your content, you want to place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that will be a huge help. Now, I did input your information into a tool that we use called Ahrefs here. And this is going to show me your trust and your strength with Google, which right now you don't have any. So that's definitely something, once we get your website back up and running, you want to be able to build up on that trust and that strength. Another thing is going to be backlinks. You have 2 backlinks from 2 referring domains, and then you have your keywords. So let's take a look at your keywords that you are ranking on right now. So these are the types of keywords that you have implemented into your website. Now, we want to be able to find keywords that are going to be more buyer intent keywords. And then here you're able to see how many people are searching for that on Google and then what your rank is for your website. So we want to be able to find keywords that we can implement into your website that we're going to be able to boost up so people are going to be able to find you more searchable on Google. Now, the other thing I wanted to go over with you today is going to be backlinks. So like I said, you have 2 backlinks on 2 referring domains. Now, what a backlink is, it's a website that links to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all of these backlinks are the same. Some of these links are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you definitely want to go after the more authoritative backlinks, and that will bring power to your website. Now, let's take a look over here at Google. So normally when you type in on Google, there's supposed to be ads at the top, but it doesn't look like anybody's running any ads. The next thing is going to be this map pack here. So we want to be able to get you ranked up with your keywords so that way you're able to show up in this map pack. Now this map pack is very important because this is where you're going to get most of your traffic from. 30 to 40% of traffic here goes right to your website and they give you a call right from the map pack. And there's tons of ways that we're going to be able to go about increasing those rankings to making sure that you have a ton of reviews. You want to make sure everything out on your Google business profile is filled out. There's an About Us section. You want to use all 750 words, and you want to implement keywords into that word and that 750 words. You also want to be very responsive when it comes to your reviews and your messages, and make sure you keep posting weekly branded posts and geolocated photos, and that's all going to help with your relevance in the long run. Now, another important thing that you want to be able to utilize is citations. So that's anywhere you can put your business name, address, phone number, and things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and hundreds of others. Now, by going out there and giving your information to as many people as possible, that's going to increase your relevance and helps with your website as well. That's also going to help bring you up on the organic listing down here, which it looks like yours is up on the top. So now we just need to be able to get you into that map pack to be able to make you more found on Google. Now, it's just a matter of implementing keywords and being able to find those buyer intent keywords that are going to work best for your website. I don't know if you want to bring it down to just the area you're in, if you want to be able to bring them out even more to different areas, but those are going to be the best way to go about ranking your website even more. Once you start getting ranked for that keyword, a percentage of that total volume is going to go to your site, and then a percentage is going to give you a call. So we got to also hopefully get you more traffic, which is going to bring that closing rate up and get you new business. So again, I want to say thank you for letting me take the time to make this video for you. I would love to set up a phone appointment with you so we can just chat about your business and what is needed. So if you are interested in any of these services, I'll be able to look into ways to be able to fill in some of the gaps for you. So thank you again, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.